Hey guys, what's going on? Today I want to explain how to change the fan blade on a TYM, RK, Roll King, or Mahindra hydrostatic tractor. Now what happens is they only have a small skid plate back here, so sticks come up through here, get into your fan blade, and take all the blades off your fan. So first off, you pull the skid plate, and then there's a bolt right up here in front of your fan blade. You take it out, and then your drive shaft will move forwards and backwards. You push it all the way forwards towards the engine of the tractor, and that way you can access the bolts up in there. So you remove the bolts, you pull the fan out this way, or what's remaining of the fan out this way. You can snake the fan back up through here. And what you want to do is you want to get your bolt holes on the bottom. So you can take a pry bar and turn it over, or you can bump it over. It's a lot easier. Just take a pry bar and turn it over. And then you come in from the back. You can slide it all the way out to where it's not on the back yoke, or the back stud back here, rather. And then you put your bolt in. You don't tighten it down all the way. You just snug it. You turn it over. You do the bottom one, and then you tighten it up, and then you turn it over, tighten it up. Put it back in. Throw your bolt back in, tighten it up, and you're done.